Hello traders, welcome to another episode of SMC Trading. In today's video, you will learn the true SMC mechanical structure. I'm about to review to you how to identify higher highs and actual low. I will open your eyes today. This video will definitely be a game-changing opportunity for you in your trading career as an SMC trader, because many SMC traders, 90% of them failed because they become liquidity to the market. For that reason, open your mind and embrace new beginning. Don't skip any part of this video if you want to become a profitable SMC trader. But before we start, I will take you to a very ideal schematic diagram, perfect one for clear understanding before we move into a live chart. Looking at this diagram, it shows what? It shows bearish trend, that is downtrend. Now, if you're looking closely to this diagram, you will notice so many break-off structures. If you can mark this very diagram here the way I do, the places I called my break-off structure, congratulations. But if you can't mark it the exact way I do in this very diagram, don't worry, I will explain in details step by step on reasons why I pick those very areas as my break-off structure. Stay tuned and don't hesitate to skip any part of this video. Now, the first thing you need to understand here is that when the market break the previous low, that this is the previous low, this is the previous low, then the market breaks it here. It's called what? It's called break-off structure, but it doesn't end there. You get a point? I've watched so many videos that they told you that once the market break out from the last low, it's called a break-off structure. Sometimes it's what? Now look closely to this very area. This is the first break-off structure, and this is our what? Our higher low. So this low is breakout, and here breaks it out. This becomes a break-off structure. Then what happens here? Look closely to the screen. What happens here? Some people will call here break-off structure. You would not blame them, but ask yourself, reason why I did not mark here as my break-off structure is a very good, nice move. But the reason is this: if any break-off structure did not take at least minor pullback, that is called endorsement, is not a valid break-off structure. You get the one? If any move you call a break-off structure did not take out any internal major liquidity or minor liquidity, is not a break-off structure. That's what happens here. That's the reason why I did not mark here as by what? As by break-off structure. And mind you, this very leg is still one movement. Nothing has changed yet. This is still what? This is still the lower low we're having in this very trend. Nothing like this is not even a higher low, a lower high. Sorry, you get the point. It's not even a lower high. It's still a single leg. Is that clear? Now we move to this spot. We call here break-off structure because of what? The price take out this pullback that we sometimes name minor pullback. It takes it out and do what? And rallies low, creates a what? A break-off structure. That's the perfect way to do that. You get the point? So if you can be able to know this tip, if break-off structure did not take any endorsement, minor or major, is not a break-off structure. So just use this layman understanding to understand it. I don't like using big words in teaching. They have no value. Using big words, I don't like it. So now we have done with this. So this is another break-off structure. Is that clear? Reason is what? It take out this minor pullback. This is the minor endorsement. It takes it out and rallies low. Then what happens here? Some people will say, okay, we are waiting for the price to take out this very minor pullback, and this is major pullback, and this is the extreme order block. Then so that they will call here what they will call it here break-off structure. No, now the price break off from this, break this very low here. We saw what happened here. It break off from this low and do what? And created a what? The price created a minor pullback here. So all eyes on this very zone, because here has been broken out. We have marked here as our what? As our lower low. This very zone here, we have marked it as our lower low. So the high we have to confirm is here. This is the first high we have to confirm. So the price have take out this very liquidity here, that's the minor pullback, and they create another what? Another break-off structure. Here becomes our what? Our higher low, and the price mitigated it. That shows what? Change of character. For we to confound the trend change, we need to have this very movement which it has been created. But if you break it out here, that's the starting of another trend. Is that clear? So that's how to mark a perfect SMC mechanical structure. Now let's move into the live chart for me to give you just little example. I don't want this video to be too long. Now looking closely, this is very good rich trend. Then what happened? This is our what? This is our last pullback. Waiting for the price to break up from this structure. People will call it breakup structure. It's a very good one. They will use that block here, this single candle order block, to do what? To enter the trade. You saw what happened? They failed. You won't blame them. Anybody that picked this very candle as his order block is not mistaken, because the price have taken out endorsement here. Price take out endorsement here, take this very one here. So it's a very good perfect order block for anybody that places entry there. But it's fine, you lose the trade, you move on. Nothing works 100%. Now the market have done what? The market have changed its direction. This is where marking of mechanical structure begins. This is the last pullback, valid pullback. We're hoping for that. The last low we're having here. The price break it out. As the price breaks it out, then you take out this very internal liquidity here. It's a very good one. Then use this extreme order blocks and rallies low. Now here is the valid breakup structure. You get the point. I hope I'm making sense. Now I will mark here as my what? It's my breakup structure. Then I'll be waiting for the price to come and mitigate this very high here. This very high here. That is the only internal liquidity sitting on this move here. The price did not make it the way I was expecting. So we move on. Where is the other blocks in here? The only other blocks, the only breakup structure sitting here is very zone. You take this so where is the other block we have? Remember, you need to be logical sometimes. Here is what? Here is very good pullback. Is a minor liquidity created by this move, so you need to be conservative, because if you draw a line here, you notice that there is a shallow breakup structure. That's why you will use this very zone, this very other block here as your what? As your entry. Don't get confused. So rewatch as many times as you can, engage in comments. I will clear you. I can talk to you one-on-one. I have no problem teaching people what I know, why you can back test it and understand the reason why I use those things, the reason why it works. I have no problem. Now here is my other block. I use here, extend it. So let's see what the price does. You notice that price tap into the zone and rallies up. You see reason why you need to study hard. It's not all about watching a bunch of YouTube videos. Did you understand what they're teaching you? Do you understand the reason why they're picking those areas? So what I'm teaching you today is I don't know how to explain it anymore. So now we have marked this very zone here as our low. Now here is our recent low and there is our recent high. Am I making sense? So now where are we waiting for price to break out? We're waiting for the price to break out this very zone for we to confirm our breakup structure, because the price take out this liquidity here, and use this very other block here and rally slow. Is that clear? Now new breakup structure, where will be our entry? As the question of the day. Some people will use this fair value gap here. Some people will say, oh, there's a very good fair value gap here. They use here this very zone, and yeah, you will not blame them, but the price did not take it in. The price did not trigger their pending order. Reason is this: the only people that is in profit is those people that use order flow. People who use order flow, this is the pullback, is the order flow. So people who use this order flow for their entry, they're in profit. But I haven't done a video concerning order flow. That will be my next video. I'll teach you how to use order flow as your entry without looking for any other block or fair value gap. So only people who take in this trade is those people who use what? Who use order flow. We right on. So now here is our confirm low. Where's the breakup structure? The breakup structure we have now is here. Is the breakup structure. But where do you enter this trade? The price created so many pullback, created so many internal liquidity. This is internal liquidity. This is other block. Have very good one here. So this other block is a very good one, but what will happen in future is what we don't know. Now we have marked out our other block. This is a good other block, perfect one. So if you don't know how to pick a perfect order block, my last video was about order block, the perfect way to pick it out. Go and watch it for you to become a genius picking a valid order block. So the price tap into the zone. It means although we are lost in this trade, though who use break-even may not lose money, but for me, I don't like using break-even sometimes. So what happened here? The price comes back and take out the whole liquidity sitting here and those what and push down. Remember, here is the only lower low, our valid lower low we have. So this is where we mark our breakup structure. You get the point? Hope I'm making sense. So losing is normal. So if you take this trade and you lost it here, it's very good trade. You don't blame yourself. You move on. Just stick with your rules. Now here is our valid breakup structure. So where should be our entry? Where are we expecting to be inside the trade? For me, the market created so many internal liquidity. That is the pullback. We have a very good one here. This very zone here is a perfect one. This is a very perfect order block because this very candle here takes this whole pullback here before this move. But some aggressive traders will mark here as the other block. It's a very good one. You won't blame anybody who take this trade, but reason why I will not pick that is because I have a very good discount area and a very good perfect order block too. This very zone here, this candle, and this very candle here. Then if I wish to cover this very spot that I'm fearful that I might miss the trade, I can use this whole block, can use this whole candle and extend it. Do you get the point? So let's see what the future brings on that. Now the price, let's see what the price does. The price did not take our order, it only take this first order block here, rallies low, but it doesn't change our narrative. Do you get the point? I don't want you to see this trade in SMC as a hard game. If you miss any setup, just be calm. Another opportunity is coming. Now here is our valid low, our valid lower low. So we'll be waiting for another breakout structure and so on. So I don't want to go further so that this video will not be too long for you to watch. So if you have any question, don't hesitate to go to the comment section, ask a question. I won't hesitate to answer you without taking any minutes. So thanks for watching. Share with your friend who are still struggling on how to mark a good SMC mechanical structure, because the beginning of profitable days in SMC is to know how to mark your highs and lows. Once you can be able to detect those things, my friend, you're good to go. So see you soon. Next video will be entry with order flow. Catch you soon. Bye for now.